Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another handbag reveal. I'm so excited. It's right here. A bit of Prada. I'm so excited. I really wanted this bag for, I'm not going to say I wanted it for a long time. I didn't know, I've seen a lot of hype about it on Instagram quite a while ago now actually, and but it was only when I was watching Sophia and Cinzia. Do you follow them on YouTube? They're brilliant. But Cinzia got Sophia this bag and one for herself, and I was like, ooh, maybe I do like it. And then I started pinning it everywhere and I couldn't stop looking at it on like Instagram and Pinterest, so naturally I had to get myself a bag. I had to get it. So it comes in, it's not much of an unboxing. It's a bag. It doesn't come in a box. So it's an unbagging of my new bag. But yeah, I'm so excited. Hey, this is it. It's Prada bag. It has a cute little bow. This is what it comes like. Let me undo the bow. This is the unboxing. How exciting. Obviously this is just for show because I've obviously done this before. It comes with no bag. It comes with a dust bag. It comes with no box. The bag doesn't come in a box, but it comes in the softest dust bag I have ever known. It's like cotton. It's like, oh, like she's tucked up for the night, all pretty and cozy. And it's just so good. Obviously you can see it's a pink one. You know what it is. I'm so excited. Can you see how beautiful? Look how beautiful she is. Like, she'll just sit on my shoulder. She'd kind of under, I don't think I will do it under the shoulder, but like I'll probably do it in the crook of my arm, or like hold it and look all fancy in my Prada. I just love it. I'm obsessed. They had loads of colours. I had been just looking at the pink one before, and then you know when you get into the shop and I was like, oh I do like, and then your man was like, we have it in all these colours, and I was like, oh, what colours do you have? And he was like, green, red, nude, khaki green, like they had silk. So then I asked to see the green, but it was like, wow, in your face. It was too green. And then he had this khaki one, and he brought out a khaki one, but it was like silk, and he was like, oh, it's much more durable. But like, love, it was silk. It wasn't durable. Anyway, I ended up going with the one that I was obsessing over for a while. I'm not gonna say this hasn't been one that's in the works for years. This has been, I'm not gonna say it was an impulse buy, but it wasn't. This is a Prada REEDITION. It's the Prada REEDITION 2000. So obviously this bag came out in 2000, and they decided to redo it. And I was actually, when I was showing my mum, when I was like unboxing it for the first time and showing her, she was saying that it looks really familiar, and she actually had like a black bag in this shape. I don't think it was Prada, like we don't think it was Prada, but it was definitely this shape of bag years ago, because I even remember it now. But like this shape was all the go years ago. I keep looking at the bloody viewfinder, how annoying, sorry. This shape was all the go years ago. I keep doing this, that's not okay. This shape was all the go years ago, and well, it was 10 years ago, because it was it was 20 years ago. This is 2020, love. And yeah, they brought it out again, and I'm so happy. They've done this, and they've done the 2005 REEDITION, and that is the one with like the chain and stuff. So this doesn't detach, but I didn't want the chain because it's cute with just the chain, but you have to get the big strap and then the attachments, and it just reminded me too much of the new Louis Vuitton. People were saying that like was Prada, a copy in Louis, but I like that one came out in 2005, I don't know. It was just a vibe. But anyway, I'm really into this bag, small bags, and I just thought it was really cute. You could dress it up, you could wear it on the regular. I think it would look really nice with like a fancy outfit, and then just put this on, or like plain black outfit and then a pop of pink, or any sort of thing. I'm just coming up with excuses now. I was kind of saying like, oh, I'll get this bag and it'll be perfect for such and such a thing. And I was like, stop making an excuse. If you want it, buy it. That's this. So it's one whole pocket. There's no like zippers or anything. But by God, you can fit a shit ton of stuff in this. So to show you, I have, oh God, I'm sitting on it now. Oh Jesus. To show you what fits in it, I have my backpack, my Louis Vuitton Palm Springs backpack. Let's take what's in there and shove it into this bag. So first I have my phone. That goes in nicely. AirPods, love. Then hand sanitizer, you need hand sanitizer. Tissues, all fitting in, and like there's plenty of room. That's plenty of room. Deodorant, trying out this new Nud, N-U-U-D deodorant. Jury's still out, I don't know, I'll let you know. Gucci perfume, and then my card holder. Now I always wear a card holder, I don't know now, probably a big purse would fit in there, but like you'd have to sacrifice maybe something else. But what I'm not showing you, and what I know fits in there, is my camera that I'm using. There's still loads of room, and there's loads of room in there, and you can zip it up and she still looks beautiful. She looks delightful. And then you can just, off you pop, being all posh in my Prada. Yeah, I was so delighted. I put up a picture with like my white bag on Instagram. I was like, oh Deborah, where's Prada? Let me just put that box there to cover the pile of clothes. I'm just delighted with it. It's nylon, so it's not gonna dirty. You can just wipe it off. This is material. This has material. I couldn't tell you what kind of material it is. What does it remind me of? I don't know. The only thing that is leather is this little thing that has REEDITION, and then it's actually a keyring. But like, I'm not going to put keys or anything on that. That's just stupid. But it says Prada REEDITION 2000, and it's kind of cute. You could take this off as well if you didn't want it. And then the zip is also leather. But that's the only thing. But like, it's like the cheapest handbag. You'll find, like, it's the cheapest Prada bag you'll find. This is my first Prada. I'm so excited for it. So get ready to see more of it on my blog. I'll probably start it on my blog, style on Instagram, and see it everywhere. But like, look how pretty she is. I'm so excited about her. On Wednesday, why can't I say Wednesday? On Wednesdays we will wear pink Prada. That was my unboxing of my new Prada purchase. My only Prada purchase. I can put that on my list. Oh, I'm delighted with myself. I will be uploading more videos like this because I always find them really interesting and really useful when you are going to make a big purchase. Like, you do want to see like what you're looking at in real life in someone else's hands, what fits inside it, what they think of it, like just the feel. I think it's different when you see something on a website. It's different, like on a website in like all white background, it's different than seeing it in like someone's hands, like exactly what fits. And that's why I love these type of videos. And I just have loads of pretty bags that I want to show you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe. and click that little notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. See you next time.